Now for this question of compound interest, we'll apply a very simple formula for the interest, for the compound interest. Interest is equal to amount minus principal. So we'll apply that formula. So I can write that compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. The formula for amount in case of compound interest is principal bracket 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power number of years or number of time periods. All right. So let's apply this formula. So first of all, for 3 years and then for 2 years as given. So they are saying that 3,500 is the interest received after 3 years. So let P be the principal and R be the rate of interest. So 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power 3. This is amount minus principal. Okay. Now, similarly, 1500 is the compound interest received after 2 years. So another equation, 1500 is equal to principal bracket 1 plus r upon 100 whole square minus p. Now I will divide these two equations. So I'll do the division here only. So from the left hand side, 100 will get cancelled and then 5 will also get cancelled. So I will get 7 upon 3 on the left hand side. All right. On the right hand side, I can cancel out principal. Okay. So P cancel out ho jayega. And let's do the substitution. Let's assume that R upon 100 is equal to X. Okay. So P cancel, after cancelling P, I have 1 plus X whole cube minus 1 divided by 1 plus X whole square minus 1. Okay. Now open the cube and the squares in the numerator and denominator and do the cross multiplication. So 7 bracket 1 plus x whole square will be 1 plus x square plus 2x minus 1. Okay. And that is equal to 3 times 1 plus x whole cube. So it will be a cube plus b cube, that is 1 plus x cube plus 3x square plus 3x and then minus 1. Okay. A minus 1 on both sides inside the brackets will be removed and then I can cancel out x as well. So after cancelling x, I will have x plus 2 on the left hand side inside the bracket and 3 times x square plus 3x plus 3. Okay. Now simplify this and you will get a quadratic. So I will simplify on the other side. Okay. So 3x square as it is, then 9x minus 7x plus 2x, 9 minus 14 minus 5 equal to 0. So 3x square plus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Let's split the middle term, 15. So 3x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. So I'll get, if I take x common, so 3x plus 5 and then minus 1 common, 3x plus 5. Upon factorization, I'll have x minus 1 into 3x plus 5 equal to 0. That will give me two different values of x equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 5 upon 3. Now rate of interest cannot be negative, so minus 5 upon 3, this will be rejected and x can be equal to 1 only. From there, the value of R will be equal to 100%. So this is the value of R. I will have to find out the value of the principal. So once we get the value of R, I can substitute this value of R in this equation, all right, in this equation, and we'll get the value of P. So value of P will be 1500 divided by 1 plus R upon 100. So 100 upon 100 is 1. So 1 plus 1 whole square minus 1. So that is 4 minus 1, 3. So the value of principal will be equal to 1500 divided by 3. That is 500. So the right hand side is just calculation and left hand side is formation of equations and simplification. Okay. So the value of principal that is obtained is 500 rupees and that is the final answer for question number 4.